This is, what is it? Shrimp and sizzling shrimp, mashed potatoes, and chicken. And mine's really pretty. And this is Jim's. Look at Jim. He got lime chicken, and it's not sizzling like mine, but it's pretty. And there's Jim. And here's mine at Applebee's on, what is the date? The 24th of, I don't know. It's August, last part of August. And we're at Applebee's. There's Applebee's. Look at that picture over there.
August 24th.
Yeah, August 24th. Saturday.
6:30.
At 6:30 at Applebee's in Napa, California, where I live and where Jim comes to visit me every chance he can. And now I think he dropped something on the floor. And here's Applebee's. A lot of television sets here. Nobody over there, but a lot of people over there. So now he's eating. Mine stopped sizzling, so I'm going to eat it.